Hi guys, Salim Tepsi Technologies is pleased to announce a power box solution that handles renewable energy intermittency. So our AC power box comes with a smart technology and is designed to prioritize the use of renewable power sources over grid sources wherever possible. This means that if you have solar panels or another renewable power source connected to the AC power box, it will be used to power your devices before the grid source is utilized. By prioritizing renewable power sources, our AC power box not only provides more sustainable and environmentally power solution, but can also help to reduce your overall energy costs. In addition, our AC power box features two smart switches that allow you to monitor and control your power supply remotely using your smartphone or any other mobile device. With just a few taps on your phone, you can switch between power sources, check the status of your power supply, and more. So, whether you're looking to reduce your carbon footprint, save money on energy costs, or simply enjoy the convenience of uninterrupted power supply, our AC power box with smart technology is the perfect solution. Order now and experience the benefit of renewable energy powered, smart technology driven power supply. Thank you. We look forward to hear from you.